Hey, everyone! It's your favorite content creator, and I am super excited to share a tool that has completely revolutionized how I create content. You may wonder how I produce high-quality content that ranks number 1 on Google. Well, it's all thanks to AI Content Poster. Now, you may ask yourself, what is AI Content Poster? Let me tell you, it's not your average content creation tool. AI Content Poster is a state-of-the-art AI model based on the GPT 3.5 architecture designed to help content creators like us produce top-quality content. With AI Content Poster, you can say goodbye to writer's block because it generates unique and engaging content ideas on various topics. From technology to fashion and everything in between, AI Content Poster has got you covered. But that's not all. AI Content Poster also helps you optimize your content for search engines, using its advanced algorithms to ensure that your content ranks number 1 on Google, giving you the exposure and traffic you need to grow your brand. So there you have it, folks. If you want to take your content creation to the next level and achieve that coveted number 1 ranking on Google, then AI Content Poster is the tool you need. Trust me, it has been a game changer for me and can be for you too. So go ahead, try it, and let me know in the comments how it has helped you with your content creation. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, analyze, and subscribe for more amazing content.